Bay window installation in Dallas is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, including modern bay windows and traditional bay windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their home. Bay Windows Dallas contractors offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Custom bay windows in Dallas provide homeowners with the opportunity to tailor their windows to their specific needs and preferences. From bay window dimensions to bay window materials, customization options are endless. Bay window customization allows for unique bay window designs that complement any home aesthetic. Energy-efficient bay windows. Dallas are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window experts in Dallas can guide homeowners in selecting the best energy-efficient bay window options for their needs. Bay window replacement in Dallas is a service often sought by those looking to upgrade their existing windows. Whether due to damage or a desire for a new look, bay window replacement can significantly enhance a home's appearance and value. Bay window specialists in Dallas provide professional replacement services to ensure optimal results. Affordable bay windows. Dallas are available for homeowners on a budget. With a range of bay window solutions, residents can find cost-effective options without compromising on quality or style. Bay window contractors in Dallas offer competitive pricing and financing options to make bay window upgrades accessible to all. Bay window replacement in Dallas is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of these architectural features. Regular bay window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of the windows. Bay window replacement services in Dallas address issues such as leaks, drafts, and structural damage. Bay window design in Dallas encompasses a wide array of styles and features. From bay window aesthetics to bay window trends, homeowners can explore various design elements to create a unique look. Bay window enhancements, such as decorative glass or custom trim, can further personalize the design. Modern bay windows in Dallas offer sleek, contemporary designs that complement modern architecture. These windows often feature clean lines and minimalistic details, making them a popular choice for new builds and renovations. Bay window experts in Dallas can assist in selecting the perfect modern bay window styles. Traditional bay windows in Dallas provide a classic look that never goes out of style. These windows often feature ornate details and timeless designs, making them ideal for historic homes or those seeking a vintage aesthetic. Bay window contractors in Dallas specialize in traditional bay window installations. Bay window features in Dallas include a variety of options to enhance functionality and style. From built-in seating to storage solutions, bay window options can be customized to meet the needs of any homeowner. Bay window specialists in Dallas can recommend features that maximize space and usability. Bay window dimensions in Dallas vary depending on the specific design and space available. Custom bay windows. Dallas allow for precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Bay window contractors in Dallas can provide guidance on selecting the appropriate dimensions for any project.